So hello, my name is Brad Van der Zanden. I'm a professor in the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science Department at the University of Tennessee. And I'm going to be talking to you about Code Assessor, which is a web-based application that we're using in our introductory computer science class. But the opportunity, we think, exists in the distance education space. And the opportunity is that when you have thousands of people taking an online course, you have to have a way to automatically assess them. You can't put eyes manually on thousands of exams or thousands of homework assignments. And therefore, we have to find a way to automatically grade programs that students write, exercises that they do. We also want to provide a way to scaffold students, which is to kind of give them training wheels, to give them some help when they're doing their exercises. So what Code Assessor does is it allows an instructor to put together a program or a template of a program. And as you can see on the right-hand side, what they can do is designate certain parts of it to be filled in by a student. Then they can say each of the blocks to be filled in by a student is worth a certain number of points. They get a certain number of attempts. And for each attempt, it will compare the student's output that's produced by the program against the instructor's output. So we also give the instructor a way to produce a number of test cases. Once the instructor has completed the template, they publish the problem, and the students can complete it using a web-based form that looks like this, has some instructions, has places to put the code. Here they've asked to grade this part. They got it correct. If they hadn't gotten it correct, it'd be a big red X, and they'd be able to compare their output with the instructor's output, hopefully be able to figure out what the changes they need to make. They could regrade it. If they run out of attempts, they can ask to see the answer. That way, they can use that for further parts of the problem, hopefully to allow them to complete later parts of the problem. And as I said, we're using this right now actually in a face-to-face class with about 270 students. We use it both to automatically grade students and also for exams. We also use it in what we call a flipped classroom. So we present online videos. They look at it before lecture. Then they come in, they work small problems that we've done using Code Assessor. And the opportunity in the distance education space is to do the same thing. Students would look at these online lectures. It would provide a way for students then to either complete exercises or to take exams over the internet. Thank you.